Hey, what's up, guys? It's crypto update and watch list. BTC is up 8%. It's at 22. Ethereum is at 1200. It's up 7%. Watch list for today is going to be these four right here. We have MATIC, KEY, FTM, and ATOM. We're looking at 4 hours. Let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour price chart. This is FTM hanging out at 28 cents, holding some at 24. ATOM. KEY. This one just got listed. MATIC hanging out at 58 cents. Alright, let's look at staking. DOT 9 to 12%, XTZ 5%, Cardano ADA 4 to 6%, Tron 4 to 7%, KSM 18%, SOL 5 to 8%, UNA 3 to 6%, Kava 23%, Flow 6 to 9%, Algo 1 to 4%, SCRT 18 to 21%, ATOM 12 to 15%, ETH 4 to 7%, MINA 12 to 20%, MATIC 8 to 14%. That's the update for today. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you in the next update.